Realme launched its new V-series phone in China called Realme V60 Pro. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme V60 Pro features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 625 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme V60 Pro sports a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified lens, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5,600 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 plus IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.69 by 76.22 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme V60 Pro has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Obsidian Gold, Rock Black, and Lucky Red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme V60 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.